Thank you. Anyways.
By the way.
Anyway.
Well, by the way.
Anyways. By the way.
Anyway. By the way.
Anyway.
Well, by the way, thanks for the cute assets. Blue, I got a tie now. It's cute. I can attach it quite nicely to my ribbon.
Liz,
Yeah?
Liz, I have a wish, Liz.
What's your wish?
Liz, next time will you also try a cat food?
No!
Liz?
Okay, maybe.
Yay! Deal! It's a deal!
What about Cece's cat food?
Anyways, look next picture.
What about Cece's cat food?
Anyways, look next picture.
What about Cece's cat food?
Anyways, look next picture.
What about Cece's cat food?
Anyways, look next picture.
Wait, she has a cat food too!
Tea is good. I like tea too, but I feel like these days I want like actually well brewed tea. So I'm like, should I invest in a kettle or something like that? You know, like you put the tea leaves in the strainer or something like that? Anyway. Oh, I'm glad to hear that, Groovy. Hope you enjoy painting. Anyway. I'm glad to hear that, Groovy. Hope you enjoy painting. Anyway. I'm glad to hear that, Groovy. Hope you enjoy painting. Anyway. I'm glad to hear that, Groovy. Hope you enjoy painting. Painting is something I've also been doing to kind of, you know, ease stress and stuff like that. I have to sneeze.
Ta-da. So cute. Thank you again. I say this many times. Thank you again, Kurowish Papa, for making me perfect. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming to watch the stream tonight. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming to watch the stream tonight. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming to watch the stream tonight. Anyways, thank you everyone for coming to watch the stream tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys.
This one.
Sorry. Oops.
Yeah, yum!
What else do we want to put in yum now? What do you think? This is a very serious list, by the way, so you gotta be very careful. This is a very serious list, by the way, so you gotta be very careful. This is a very serious list, by the way, so you gotta be very careful. This is a very serious list, by the way, so you gotta be very careful.
Oh no.
Think about it. You have to be very accurate, Gigi. You gotta think about it.
I guess American corn dogs would be in yum. Yeah.
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 You got a VIP ticket for hololive Stage World Tour Soar Taipei. Let's go, VIP ticket. Things you gotta see. By the way, thanks for the cute assets. 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 Blue, I got a tie now. And a huge magnifying glass. Cute. It's like almost as if we're playing Frog Detective.
Ah, okay, so why should I call you a liar if you haven't put a queen on the
For
table?
example...
I mean, you can kind of keep track of it because there are 6. Oh, by the way, Jokers can be anything. Oh, by the way, Jokers can be anything. Oh, by the way, Jokers can be anything. Oh, by the way, Jokers can be anything.
Oh yeah, Jokers,
really?
if you have J, it can be anything.
Oh,
Yes.
nice.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah, Jokers can be anything.
Okay.
And then kind of maybe keep track of the
Mori Calliope, you're counting cards.
What? I'm not counting cards. It seems like a good tactic. It's a good tactic.
I see. 2 queens.
There we go. Oh no, I didn't mean to stab it like that. Wait, I didn't mean to. Number 55. That was a festival, by the way. You can tell by the music. That was a festival, by the way. You can tell by the music. That was a festival, by the way. You can tell by the music. That was a festival, by the way. You can tell by the music. Bus stop. Okay.
So guys, we were having a very interesting conversation prior to this stream.
You don't have to mention anything about the conversation before the
We
stream.
were talking about
Don't you dare.
which ice cream was your it was, you know, ice cream. We were talking about our favorite ice cream.
Yeah, that sounds like a very interesting topic that you would talk about right before a stream. Yeah, our favorite. What is your favorite ice cream, Kronii?
I like green tea ice cream.
Really? You're one of those girls that really there's like green tea on everything. I see.
Okay, what about you then?
I would say, I guess, chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, chocolate. Oh. I see. Okay.
Why do you have to laugh? Why are you laughing at? It's just a chocolate.
No. I just thought that was really cool. Chocolate. Okay. I like chocolate too.
Why do you have to make it weird? But you like green tea more, right?
I know, but I can see the appeal of both. Sometimes people combine green tea with chocolate too.
Yeah, I know there's green tea chocolate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Green tea tastes good, but it really tastes like good grass, you know?
You just said tastes like grass.
Yeah, in a good way.
What, like, are you a grass grazer or something?
No. I'm not a cow.
You know what a good grass is?
No.
What a bad grass is?
No, it's just I don't know what good grass is. I'm just saying it's good grass because I'm not assuming that it's bad grass because it tastes good. You know, it tastes like good, but it's also grassy. It's not like I've ever had grass. I'm just assuming that grass would taste like this if it was good.
What if it didn't taste like that?
Then I will take back my words.
Well, you should take it back right now.
Why? Do you know what grass tastes like?
No, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't taste like that.
I'm sure that if you make grass sweet, it'll be similar. That's what I think.
No, I disagree.
You disagree?
Anyway, which one are you gonna choose?
Well, disagree.
Anyway, which one are you gonna choose?
Well, disagree.
Anyway, which one are you gonna choose?
Well,
I wanna go with blue.
yeah, since you're blue, I'll go with the green one.
That's like reddish. Yeah. It has a red scarf.
Yeah, it's a red scarf, yeah.
Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and try a bunch of flavors, you will not regret it. Ice cream shop, come to our ice cream shop. Come and hang out at our ice cream shop. It's called Not Just Ice, haha, get it!